In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can get this number in the center of these 4 cells. This can be done in 2 ways. The first method is merging these 4 cells into one and then centering the contents. First, select these 4 cells, and then in the home menu, there's this button, Merge and Center, and this button pretty much does what you need. Click it, and then the 4 cells are merged into one, and the contents is centered. I can no longer just select B1. I can only select the 4 cells as a group. And if I make the cell bigger, the year 2023 is still in the center of the cell. If I give it a background color, the color applies to the whole cell. Now let's go back to this button. If I open the menu next to it, you see 4 options. The first option is Merge and Center, which is basically the same as clicking this button, which is what I did. If I wanted to merge the cells but not center the contents, I could have clicked this one. And if I want to split the cell into 4 different cells again, I can click Unmerge Cells. And now the cells are 4 separate cells again. One thing to keep in mind, if I have text in all the 4 cells and I want to merge the cells, Merge and Center, I get a warning, and the warning says merging cells only keeps the upper left value and discards other values, which means I will keep the 2023 and I will lose the other texts. Okay, and now they are merged again. Now let's say I want to merge these 2 cells, and I want to do that for all 3 rows. So these 2, and these 2. I can then select the entire area, open this menu again, and choose Merge Across, which means Excel will merge every row in my selection into one cell. And now every row in my selection is a cell. Okay, now this method of merging and centering cells has one drawback. Let's say I want to select column B. If I select the cells of my table in column B and I want to select B1, then Excel will select almost my entire table because I cannot just select cell B1. This might be a problem when you want to sort data, filter data, or you have multiple tables above each other. In that case, you might not want to merge cells together. So I'm going to split the cells again, Unmerge. Now there are 4 cells again. And what I'm going to do now is center this text across 4 cells without merging the cells. I selected all 4 cells, right click, then Format Cells. And then in the tab Alignment, open this list for horizontal alignment and choose Center Across Selection. Click OK. And now the year is centered across all 4 cells, but the cells remain separate cells. And now I can select all the cells of column B in my table. And these are the 2 ways you can center a text across multiple cells.